just seen we've got a classic setup occurring on the daily chart on Euro Yen. So previous examples I've shown have been on lower time frame, 5 minute, 15 minute. But I just want to show that you can take these as a daily setup. They do come, obviously not as often. The lower time frame you go, the more setups you're going to find. But here again is another classic example. I've been filled at rejection level. Price worked very well here. Nice reaction. Obviously, it's also a confluence. We've got a resistance up here as well, which is always nice to have an extra confluence. And classic stuff. We're going to target back down. I think this range is going to get tagged out. It might do another break the range, come back again. We'll have to see how it plays out. But I will come back to this once the trade is complete. It might take a few days, to be honest, or a week. We've got Christmas upcoming soon, so who knows how long I'll be holding it for, but we'll see.